Good morning, children. Welcome back for the new session. And I know everyone is like sitting at home. Like last year, we have restarted with the school beyond school, right? So this is just an extension of that till everything comes back to normal. And uh, I know you must have all been geared up for the new session. Hope this session also becomes so interesting as it was last year. So, this is your first video, English video for this new session. Okay, in the morning we already had an introduction. Let us just right away begin with it. Okay, now you all can see a picture of a rainbow on your screen. Now, children, do you know what is a rainbow? Rainbow is one of the beautiful and wonderful creation of God. Okay, now when does this rainbow appear? The rainbow appears when it is raining, and at the same time it is a bright sunshine too, right? It is a mixture of when there is a mixture of rain and sunshine. So this rainbow appears. That means what? In our lives also there is a mixture of rain. Sometimes it is sad, sometimes it is happy, but then there is always beautiful colors out there what we have to grab, right? So this is what is rainbow, which gives us always hope. Now rainbow, just an explanation of rainbow I'll just give you. What is a rainbow? Rainbow has 7 colors. Okay, now these 7 colors are violet, indigo, blue, yellow, orange, red, and one more color is there. One more color is there. There are 7 colors. Okay, in the next class, I'll ask you which is the 7th color. Okay, I'll not tell you all the colors. Let you also think. Come on, we are now in the school, and a little bit thinking is okay, right? So 6 colors I've already told you. Now the 7th color you will tell me. Okay, so now it is actually, this rainbow is actually known as Vibgyor, just because of the 7 colors. The first alphabet of each color is actually known as Vibgyor. Okay, so now why am I telling you about rainbow? It is just because today we are going to do, or we are going to read a poem, The Rainbow. Okay, now the poet of this poem is Christina Rossetti. Okay, so this is a poem which is about a rainbow. Now what is it trying to tell us? Let us explore, let us see. The Rainbow. Now this is the poem. I'll just read and then I'll explain you four lines of the poem. Okay, boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. So, this is what the poem is all about. Now, the rainbow. Okay, now let us see the first 4 lines of the poem. Okay, boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. Now, see, boats are man-made, right? They are sailing on the rivers or seas. You can see beautiful, when they go far away, you just see like a drop, or you just see it is so like, it is beautiful to watch these these boats on the seas and the rivers. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. Why? Because clouds are natural. Have you ever seen these clouds, traveling from one place to another? Beautiful it looks. The sky is full of clouds, and they are heading towards somewhere where you also don't know. But wherever they go, they will always give rains, right? These clouds are full of water and they'll always give rains. That is, clouds are a ray of hope for the rains, right? So they watching these clouds sailing on or sailing across the sky is beautiful, more beautiful than the boats sailing in the rivers. Now, the next lines. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Now, here they are talking about the rainbow, right? Now, there are bridges on the rivers. You all must have seen the bridges on the rivers, right? What does the bridges do? It helps us to cross the river, right? You cannot cross the river from the water, so there must be something which helps you to take from one side to the other side, right? So this is done by the bridges, as pretty as you please. Now there are so many types of bridges. You must have seen large bridges, then small bridges, then wooden bridges, then cement bridges, then iron bridges. They are also beautiful. Even railway bridges you must have seen. They are also beautiful to watch, right? But the bow that bridges heaven. Now, do you know why rainbow is known as a rainbow? Because it looks like a bow in the sky. Okay? You must have seen bows, right? So it looks like beautiful, colorful bow in the sky. That is why it is known as a rainbow. And overtops the trees. So rainbow can be anywhere. On the trees, you can see here from here that it is overtopping this. Overtopping means on the top, right? So on the top of the trees and builds a road from earth to sky. Now when you see this rainbow, you will see that it is from the sky till the you know it is not like that, but when we see it now, it looks like that it is the road from the sky to the earth is prettier far than these. Why? Because it is beautiful, colorful, right? So it is beautiful. That is the reason it is more. See, man-made things are man-made things, and natural things, no comparison. So these things, just imagine how God must have created this rainbow of beautiful colors with so many, and why only these 7 colors, not other colors. So this is what is God's creation, and we are happy and we are so lucky to have all these natural things with us, right? I hope children you all have understood the poem. Okay, now tomorrow in the live class I'll be trying and I will be telling each and every one of you to read the poem. Okay, so be prepared with the poem, watch the poem properly and be prepared with it. Okay, thank you children.